Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed review of the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is the Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. As you can see, the one we got here comes in metallic green, but there are 3 more color options available for you. If we open this box here, so here is the installation guide, and here we got our Poetic Spartan case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So the Poetic Spartan case for Z Flip 6 comes in multiple parts. Here we got the one that covers the hinge and the cover screen along with the camera and the flash. It comes with this screen protector as well. And here we got the part that goes with the rest of the body of the Z Flip 6. As you can see that it comes with an adhesive strip that provides better attachment of the body of Z Flip 6 with the case. Here we got the shock absorbing EVA foam, the Spartan branding. This case is military standard drop tested, and it comes with military standard 810G certification as well. Once again, here on the back we got this foam that will provide shock absorbing properties. We got the soft TPU on the side, the solid polycarbonate shell. So as you can see, the Poetic Spartan case for Z Flip 6 is going to cover the whole body of your Z Flip 6. So let's put it on our device. So as you can see, it is fitting perfectly on our Z Flip 6. So here on the sides you can see it comes with these nice textured grooves that is going to provide a nice grip when you hold your Z Flip 6 with this Poetic Spartan case on it. Here we got the slot for the fingerprint sensor. Here we got the volume buttons, and they are very clicky and tactile and provide a very nice experience while pressing them. Here we got the slots for the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, microphones at the bottom and top of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Here we got the protection on the hinge, and it comes with Poetic branding, and once again these nice grooves here to provide protection to the hinge. And as you can see that this hinge comes with auto closer feature, so this is really nice and provides the protection to the whole body including the hinge. As you can see that the cover screen is fully protected by this case here, as the edges are very well raised for the protection of the cover screen. So even if you drop your Z Flip 6 with this Poetic Spartan case on it, the cover screen will be fully protected, and the same goes with the camera lenses as well. As you can see, the edges around the camera lens and the flash are raised a lot to provide full protection from the drops. The hinge of this Poetic Spartan case comes with a kickstand as well that you can use to use the device in horizontal position as well as in the vertical position. So this kickstand is really going to contribute in your productivity because you can use it in the horizontal position, in the vertical position, and it protects the hinge of your smartphone as well. This case is wireless charging compatible, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. So if you're planning to buy a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, then the Poetic Spartan case is one of the best options for you because it comes with 360-degree protection for your Z Flip 6. It protects the cover screen, the back panel, sides, top and bottom, as well as the hinge of your device. It comes with this multifunctional kickstand along with the wireless charging capability and a super solid grip with strong military grade certified drop protection. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.